Hello, friends. I'd like to read to you my brand new children's picture book. It's titled On My Bike. On My Bike by Mark Weekland, illustrated by Sergio Drummond. To Melissa and my bike-loving family. On my bike, I travel. The people I see smile and wave. I wave back, but I don't lose my balance. In the country, roads unwind before me. Kid goats greet me with a ma, ma. Down the hill I rush, then along a fence. Catch me, if you can. On a bike, I feel happy, just like riders all over the world. In Brazil, Germany, and Japan, people love riding their bikes. Riding my bike always feels exciting and new, but people have been riding bikes for a long time. The first bike was called a hobby horse. It was made of wood, even its wheels. A hobby horse had no pedals. To glide along, you balanced on the seat and pushed off with your feet. Pedals were soon added. So was a big front wheel. This bike was called a high wheel. It was fun to ride, but easy to crash. Later came same-size wheels and inner tubes filled with air. Bike makers also added gears and chains. New or old, bikes are people-powered. Fast or slow, you pedal and go. On my bike, adventure awaits. In an empty lot, I build a ramp. Woo, I'm airborne. After the ramp, I whoosh down a street. No dog can catch me. On my bike, I'm very fast. Later, I see the neighborhood bully and his no good friend. They can't catch me either. They don't have bikes. High-speed biking is a workout. Heart pounding, I pump my legs until my muscles burn. I also ride slowly. Rolling quietly along, I notice the little things. Riding with friends is fun. Chasing and racing are best with buddies. I'm fine by myself, too. Alone on my bike, I feel peaceful. My mind wanders. On my bike, I think and dream and imagine. The end. There's a picture of me, the author, with my brother-in-law and my sister, bikers. Mark Weekland is a literacy specialist, writer, musician, and bike lover. Longtime educator, he's the author of more than 80 books for children, as well as resource books for teachers. Mark lives in the Appalachian Mountains of western Pennsylvania. And here's a picture of the illustrator, Sergio Drummond. Sergio Drummond is a painter, illustrator, animator, and digital graphic artist who holds degrees in both fine arts and advertising art. His portfolio includes illustrating books, magazines, graphic novels, and theater posters, as well as video editing and animation. A great part of his life has been spent in Europe, Japan, Thailand, India, and the Philippines. While in Asia, Sergio taught art for humanitarian projects. On My Bike by Mark Weekland, illustrated by Sergio Drummond. I hope you enjoyed the book On My Bike, friends. It's a favorite of mine because I love bike riding and I love books, and it's a great combination. Thanks for listening.